Very good morning, Honorable.
Is it a NCC uniform?
Yes,
All right.
Very good morning, Honorable Finance Minister, the other dignitaries, and to everyone present here. I am Vansra Malan of BABL 4th semester, ITEP department, and I am also
What
an
department?
ITEP department, Integrated Education Teachers Education Program.
Integrated education.
Integrated Teachers Education Program.
Teachers education. Right.
And I am also an NCC cadet. Ma'am, I am deeply inspired as I take a look at your incredible journey from being a student to becoming a powerful woman in our nation. So, Madam, I would like to ask you, if looking back at your student years, what's the one thing you wish you had learned? Thank you.
What
You had
I could have done.
Yes.
I wasn't in NCC. I was in the college. My college had brilliant NCC troop. And somebody who was in my batch, but not in the same course, led the Republic Day procession, the march past. And today she is into various fantastic things, and she stays in the same city where we all studied together. She's in touch with me even today. But about her, despite her various other activities, fantastic contribution, writes books and so on, I still remember Brinda Kalpura, the NCT person who went marching down the then Rajpath, today Kartavya Path. Oh my God, what an impression she made in my mind as an NCC cadet who could lead before the Prime Minister and the whole, those days. She marched, man, that road, which later on I've seen as Police Commissioner, Kiran Bedi lead the procession. Right? Such women, brilliant women. NCC, man, I wasn't in it. I would have loved to be in it. But I wasn't in it for, I don't know, for whatever reason. So that's one thing I would have loved to be in.
Thank you.